I actually removed the radiator fan, because it's a whole assembly. They sit together. That's the water pump for the inverter. This one I bought online. It says Aisin, Thailand. Aisin. It says made in Japan, but I got it from a Thailand seller. It did come from Thailand. Okay. It looks the same. Everything the same. There's a connector here. As you can see here, one. This thing will fail within the next 5 years. Okay, so if I don't change it now, and let's say it fail, I will have to change it later. I have to do this whole process again, and I still have to buy a new coolant. This is the punya harness dia, because there will be 2 screws from below, di bawah. Okay, 1, 2 daripada bawah. So you cannot open it from the top. Below, 1 from the top. So that's why this is the only time you want to do this is when you are opening the radiator fan or you're changing fan. You will need to reach down here to here. Masuk panjang sini. This side you can reach from the front here, or you can reach from here, but you will need from this side. You cannot use your own fingers to get through because there very limited space here. After that, the connector is the issue. Do not try to remove the connector from the back like this. Don't try to remove it. Memang it's very tight. Everything is inside here. Dust, everything. So there is a harness here. This is a tip how to remove this harness. This is a tight size 10. From the back there, yeah, maybe you size 12 ke. Push it to here. Get size 12 maybe lah. Get size 12. Push it to here and then you pull it out from the back here. So when you pull it out, then the condition will be like this. When you already taken out, giving you more space to remove the connector. You know, this is very tight. So you have to use a flathead screwdriver and then force it open while pressing it. So there will be 2 people. One need to hold the water pump. The other one will need to work on the connector.